All right, so we're back at it. So we're in our conclusion section. What do we learn? Desirability. Why do people want to train with us? We offer personal coaching that could help ball players from all over develop and help them play at the next level. That's what almost every ball player dreams of. And for a lot of people, like myself, I didn't. Not a lot of people thought it was very realistic. Um, but with the right guidance, you don't know what a ball player is capable of. So we provide flexible options with location and price for different players. Feasibility. How does this happen? We give our new models. They help give access to our coaching and training methods so that players from all over the country can work with us. They can make those homemade options, like we said. They can train at a lower cost at a more convenient spot. Visibility with lower pricing, better equipment. We are able to bring in more clients, which generates more revenue. New products from trash to cash will help generate more revenue as well. Um, there's so many ways to increase revenue and production in the business. The book gave us so many clear examples that are proven to work, proven to increase revenue, proven to better your business. And I was lucky to stumble on two that really helped me. Well, it was such a hard choice because there were so many options. So that really helped me out in the future in case I need a different way to bring in more money or if there's a different problem I'm facing. So our bonus reflection, like I said, the trash to cash method impacted my business so much. It opened up so many possibilities for us to generate more revenue and help more kids, which is why I do this. I want to help more ball players achieve their goals, get to play in college, get the experiences that I've gotten to have over the past 5 years. So that method was the biggest takeaway by far. And it's not only helped me in the business world, but it helps me in everyday stuff. I've been able to look around and get started. I've already started getting training implements for when I want to coach, when I want to help players out, give lessons and stuff. So it's been really good for me to learn about this method and learn about the connections it can build. Um, Something we could have done differently. We could have partnered up with a bigger company like Driveline. Um, this would means that we have to teach their philosophies. They still do one-on-one coaching. They do individual assessments, but they have a philosophy that they follow with most pretty much everybody. So we would be teaching their philosophy. It would give us more attention, probably give us more clients saying that, hey, we were working personally with Driveline Baseball. They could pay for more, which will save costs. But the problem with that is, like I said, with online training, we would have to say, hey, you have to buy these bats that we have instead of what we want to do at our company is by saying, hey, like we can help you find a better way for your price range to train so that you don't have to spend all your money on this. You can branch out and spend it elsewhere. Um, some I like to would have covered more is our facility layout. This is something I thought about like years ago. But in 401, we talked about money per square foot and really making full use of every inch of your business. And I would like to dive deeper into this. I would like to know where my ideas would have gone had I looked at different business models, had I looked at um, different ways to generate revenue, learning about what space would generate more revenue. I thought that was pretty cool. So that's something I might kind of dive into after this is really kind of getting into the facility aspect of it and the space and kind of how things would have worked. So I want to thank everybody for watching. Thank you all for all the comments on the previous videos, helping me get better as we go. Good luck to all y'all with your videos, your semesters, and y'all's businesses. Thank you, Western, Miss Black, for letting me kind of dive deep into a business that I want to create. I feel like I've already got it done and I ain't even got it started, so it feels pretty cool. I want to thank everybody. Here are my sources. Again, good luck. Thanks for watching. Look forward to watching all your videos.